Hello friends, user interaction with software is very much required. In today's video, we are going to see how user can interact with software. Here we are going to see interaction with Turtle module with the help of mouse. So we know that if we are using laptop or computer, there are two input devices, that is keyboard and mouse, by using which we can interact with computer. Friends, today how we can interact with Turtle model with the help of mouse, that we are going to see. So let us start. Let us see the output of today's program. If I run the program, now here we have bifurcated the window, and if I click here, it is drawing a red circle, and if I click here, it is drawing purple circle. So I have made the interaction with the software with the help of this mouse. So now how we can develop this program, let us see. Let me take new file. Here we know that we import Turtle. Let us create one window. Now here let us define the coordinates of this window. W dot set word coordinates. So here we are giving 0, 0, 400, 400. Now this command will create one window. So it will start from 0, 0 coordinate. Here x is 400 and y is 400. So we are giving the coordinates here. So set word coordinate command takes first 0, 0 argument. So it indicates the starting point x and y 0, 0, and next is 400, 400. So it indicates the end point, that is 400, 400. So x coordinate it will travel 400 and y coordinate it will travel 400. So it will create a window of 400 and 400 size. Now let us create one turtle. T1 t dot turtle. This we have created one turtle, and now I have to bifurcate this window centrally. So I take that turtle up from the screen so that it should not draw any line while traveling. I take this turtle at position. So centrally we have to divide the window. It's 400 by 400. So towards x-axis I have to go 200, and from y-axis I have to go 400 points. So here we have to do 200 by 400. Here it should be comma, not point. So it will go to that position. Now I have to take this turtle down so that it should touch the screen. The command is t1.pd, so it will touch the screen, and now I have to draw a vertical line. We know that initial turtle position is horizontal. We have to take it down. So we know the command is t1.rt. So it will rotate this turtle right by how much degree? Yes, of course. So 90 degree. So it will rotate turtle by 90 degree, and now we have to draw that horizontal line. So I have to take t1.ft, and we know that we have divided that line, that string 400 points. So it should travel 400 points. So I have to give 400. So I would like to take that turtle outside the screen. So I make it 450. Now let us save the code. By mouse interaction. So let's say mouse click. Let me save this code and now run it. So let us see the output. Yes, now my window is divided into two parts. Now if I click left side of the part, it should draw one circle with one color, and if I click on other side of the screen, it should draw a circle with another color. So how we can do that? Now I am having one command, that is on screen click, which will identify the coordinates of clicking event. So I'm using that command w dot on screen click. And when we execute this command on screen click, so whatever function I'll give inside the bracket, it will call that function. So here I give name to that function draw, and now I have to create the function draw. So what this command will do, the moment I click on the screen, it will call that function draw, and it will pass the argument of clicking event like x and y coordinate, we can say. So here I have to define the function, define draw in bracket. So to this draw function, it will transfer the coordinates of clicking movement. So I have to pass that coordinates to some variable. So as in general we divide that screen in x and y coordinates. So let me take the same coordinate x comma y. It's not necessary that we should take x and y, we can take any variable, but in general we refer it as x and y, that's why I keep it as it is. Now if I print x comma y, so it will print the clicking movement coordinate of that particular event. So let me run this code. If I click towards left side, so this coordinate x coordinate is less than 200 and y coordinate it depends. And if I click towards right side of this line, so x will be more than 200, as we have drawn that line 200 points from x coordinate. Now let us modify the program. If I click towards left side of that line, it should draw red circle, and towards right side it should draw purple circle. So for that I just have to compare this x coordinate. If x is less than 200, it should draw red circle. So for that I use t1 dot pin up. I take it to position dot position xy, means where user has clicked, it will take turtle t1 to that xy position, and there I have to draw the circle. And here I have to say t1 dot paint down. At that position it should draw circle, but circle color should be red, so I say t1 dot color, it should be red. And now we have to draw circle, t1 dot circle bracket. I can say let us take the radius 10, and now let me copy the same code and if it is greater than 200, if x coordinate is greater than 200, it should draw the circle, but the circle color should be purple. Now it will draw purple color circle. So let me run this code. It should be, command should be go to. I forget to write go to. Here it should be go to. Now let me run this code. Now if I click here, oh yeah, what PD is not defined. PD pen down. Okay, here it's, I have taken comma, it should be dot. Again here it should be dot. Now let me run the code and hope that it will work perfectly. Yes, now it is drawing the circle purple, but these circles are hollow, we have to fill it. So we know that in last video we have seen how we can fill the color. So command is t1 dot begin underscore fill bracket, and here we have to write t1 dot paint underscore fill. Let me copy this code and Let me paste it here. And we have to increase the speed, so we are having one command, that is speed. I said t1 dot speed. This is the fastest speed. You can say 0. If I take 0, it will drop with fastest speed. So let me run this code again. Now you will see, yes, it is drawing circle at that appropriate position. If I click towards left, it is drawing red circle, and if I click towards right, it is drawing purple circle. So friends, this video is to inform you how we can interact with our software by using mouse. Similarly, we can interact with our software with the help of keyboard. How we can do that we will see in the upcoming video. Friends, if you are having any comment, please mention it in comment section. Whatever commands we have used, the PDF link of it is given in the description. See you in the next video, friends. Till then, bye.